Hello, I'm using Screencast-O-Matic to illustrate some social media options for sharing out what's happening in the library. I just started an Instagram page for the library, and I like Instagram okay. It's nice to be able to easily share videos and pictures, and I love all the filters on Instagram. It really add some cool effects to the videos. One of my irritations with Instagram is that you cannot do it on a computer. It has to be on a phone in order to add things to it. So that is, in the work context, a little bit of a nuisance because I do a lot more things on my computer and my pictures automatically sync to my computer, so I don't need them to be able to go directly from the phone. Another good thing about Instagram is that a lot of people use it in their personal life. So things would be going directly to the parents if they were to follow your library Instagram account. For this reason, I think Facebook is really the most direct route to the parents because it seems like people of the parents' age, almost all of them are on Facebook. The only thing that I don't like about using Facebook for the library is that if you create the Facebook account in connection with your personal account so that you don't have to completely log out and log back in to get from one to the other, then it constantly is suggesting people to be your friend that are affiliated with your work. So for instance, if I make a Facebook page that is for the library, to prevent having to log in and log out, I would have to make it as a connection to my personal account, and then it's going to suggest me to the parents. That's one thing I like about Instagram. I can have the two separate accounts, and I can toggle between them on my phone, and one doesn't have to know the other one in the digital world. I do want to quickly talk about Twitter, though, because in all honesty, Twitter is my favorite for use as a professional person in the library. On Twitter, not only can I post things that are going on in my library, I can connect them to a lot of other entities, which I can tag things in Facebook. But on Twitter, I don't have to be friends with someone or follow them or whatever in order to tag them. I also get a ton of PD from Twitter. So to me, Twitter is the best one, but it's not, of course, that's not where a lot of the parents are. So that's more to promote your library to the world rather than promoting your library to the parents. So that's just a little bit about the pros and cons of each of these tools, Instagram being the one assigned right now. But for me personally, it's a lot to keep up with all these different social media things. So if I have to just focus on one, it's going to be Twitter.